Hello my friends, today I want to talk about my cell phone. So I have a Samsung Flip 5 phone right here, as you can see. And let me see if I can set this up. Give me a moment, guys. I'm trying to set up this little tripod here. Alright, well, I'll try and do it with my Alright, so my screen is done. It's done for. If I mess around with it, I can get it to flash, but my screen is done for. And yeah, so this is a Flip 5. It's a flip phone. I've had it for a little while now, but the screen died finally. And I decided to upgrade to a Google Pixel 10 Pro, which has 250 gigabytes of memory, which is going to be excellent for content creation. I mean, excellent. So I'm upgrading from this phone. Compared, the Google Pixel 10 Pro compared to this blows this out of the water. The camera is going to be much better on the Google Pixel. So $800. It's a lot of money. I wasn't planning on spending $800. And yeah, but I'm a content creator. I need a phone. So we are upgrading. Now this phone still works because it's just the screen. And because this phone has dual screens, so for example, it has this main screen, so this screen here, and you can see in the center where it was starting to get wear and tear from opening and closing all the time, and it finally just gave out. I don't think I can even get it to make any colors anymore. Yeah. But the phone actually still works because of the front-facing screen. So this is a screen as well, as you can see. And this screen, I can actually read some notifications that I get. So if someone texts me, I can't read emails. I can pretty much just see notifications or messages. And I can reply back, and I think you can do phone calls as well, but you have to get a call first. I don't think I can just dial a number. So anyway, I can do stuff on here as well, and I can see the temperature. Now, with notifications, I can click. I can't really access anything unless something pops up. So I can get a notification from YouTube, and then I can click that or tap it, and I can then go to a YouTube video, and then from there I can go backwards, and then I can actually search and use it on YouTube. So I can text people, I can't text them first. Someone has to text me, and I have to get notified of that text message, and then I can text them back. Or I have to get notified from YouTube for me to access YouTube, for then to me to search on YouTube. So I can still use it for YouTube. I can sort of still text. Sometimes the text messages don't work right or send right, but it still is functioning, which is great. I love the Flip 5. Please don't get me wrong. The Flip 5 is probably one of my favorite phones I've ever had, because as a content creator, like, because you, whoa, sorry. Oh, here we go. There, you can see the screen. Oh, went off. But as a Flip 5, you could like set it like this and film. So it basically acts as its own tripod. So I love this phone, but it was time to upgrade to something better anyway. So $800. That's pretty rough. So I'm now going to be listing a lot more stuff on eBay, some trading cards that are higher value that I will be able to sell and get my money back from the phone. So by selling some trading cards and working harder, I'm definitely going to be working much harder once I get this phone. And it's supposed to be shipped. It's supposed to arrive in like 4 days or less. So that's great. So, and that's direct from Google, because it's my phone service is Google Fi. I use Google Fi for cell phone service because it's so simple. Like, they make the setup super easy. Now, I have videos on here, and I have files on here, and I have so much data on this phone because my life is content creation, that I actually spent $125 on eBay to get a screen, a replacement screen for this. And in 2016, I fixed a cell phone. And in 2018, I fixed a cell phone. So I had a Droid Max. That's the name of the phone at the time. And I fixed that screen by taking it apart. And then my wife had an iPhone 5C, and I fixed that screen by taking it apart. So I'm going to try and fix this screen by taking it apart. I already there's around the edges, you probably can't see, but around the edges, there is a trim I've already taken off. So my plan is to try and fix this screen as well. There is a downside because they say you have to take off the front screen. So this screen here that's actually still functioning, this screen here, they say you have to take that off. You have to then take this back panel off. And they say that replacing this screen here, like taking this off, so this is the main screen, taking this screen off here can be very costly if you damage it. So I got to be very careful on that to not completely just destroy this, even though, I mean, it is kind of useless. I mean, YouTube, yes, if I get notified, or text messages, yes, if I get notified, or I think I can pick up a phone call if I get notified. So yeah, I'm going to try and fix this. And if I can get it to fix, I figure it'll work as a great backup camera. So that's my day. Wasn't planning on that. But at least now I can film better content. And more memory and more storage. But boy, $800. And bad timing too, because this month my Jeep's gonna need inspected, and I bet it's gonna be like $1,000. I mean, I think so. Last year, all the brakes, maybe rotors needed replaced, but they said that they'll just do either the front or the back, and the next year we can take care of them. So, and that was like $800. So I'm expecting another $800 because that's how life goes. One thing after another, my friends. But I take these opportunities to now work harder because it's almost midnight. So, almost midnight. And I listed some stuff on eBay. And the stuff I listed on eBay are trading cards. And they're higher value trading cards. And these cards, though I listed them at a price that I think is fair, they might not sell at this price, even though it's fair, because, you know, people need money these days, and I can understand that. But if they sell for the price I have them, by the time I get paid, I'll get like $1,500 after fees. Maybe a little bit more than that if they sell for the price I have them at, which they should. I think they should. So I'll get $1,500 plus not profit, but money back on these cards. And 8, 16. Yeah, probably about $1,500 after fees and stuff. So that will cover the $800 cell phone plus the $125. So let's just round it up to $900 because I did buy some new accessories on Amazon. I did buy some stuff to take the phone apart. I did also order some Pixel 10 screen protector, a carrying case, because I used cases. So I use all kinds of cases for my phones because I drop them a lot. And I drop them a lot because I'm always having my phone out working. Like, because my phone is my livelihood, pretty much. So, you see the cracked screen again. My phone's my livelihood. It's my social media hub. Like, I do 80% of my filming with my phone. So that's why I could have got a phone for $300-400, but I thought, if I'm going to do it, I'm going to upgrade, and I'll just sell stuff. So Unexpected stuff, my friends. Hope you guys are having a good day. Not sure when this video will go live, but we take things as they come and we move on. We evolve, and you know, at least I had some cards to sell. So rainy day cards, pretty much. They're cards that I wanted to keep long term. I think would have been probably worth $5 grand each someday, but that could be 20, 30 years from now. So, you know, I didn't want to have 800 bucks on the credit card, because at the end of the day, by the time you make minimum payments on that, you end up paying like almost double for stuff. So thank you guys for watching this. Anyone who actually watched this, I appreciate you. And hope you have a blessed day. And now my computer's acting up. That would suck. That would be a catastrophic nightmare. Is if my computer would go. It's a $2,000 computer. And I need this computer for what I do. Now, I should say this. It's a $2,000 compute. It's a $2,000 computer back when I bought it. But it's still high performance. So yeah. Anyway, hope you guys have a blessed day. What has gone out for you guys? What has gotten you caught off guard? Like, is there anything? Dishwasher, dryer, washing machine. Is there anything that has gone out for you guys? And I know I would say this, like, I wouldn't have gotten an $800 phone if content creation wasn't my livelihood. Like, I would have just, because at the end of the day, as long as a phone can access the internet and you can use Google Play, that's it. Like, it doesn't really matter. Like, you don't need this like expensive phone. I know so many people get these expensive phones because they want the newest thing or they want the best phone. But unless you're a content creator or you post on social media a lot, yeah, I wouldn't have. I'd have spent, well, I mean, for the longest time, I had a track phone. I actually still have a Google. So this phone here is a Google Pixel. So this is a Google Pixel phone. 6? Google Pixel Pro 6 or something like that. And I liked it, but I wanted a flip phone. So when we paid that off, I got a flip phone, and then I had the flip phone, and I keep this for some things just for Wi-Fi. But anyway, so yeah, I've had track phones for most of my life. I've, you know, $80 track phones, and those work perfectly fine. So I wouldn't have spent this much if it wasn't for my job. And now I am totally rambling, probably because it's almost midnight. I'm tired. I'm a little annoyed spending $800 when I wasn't planning on it, knowing that I'm probably going to be spending $1,000 for my Jeep for inspection that's due this month by the end of May. So it's basically that $800 is what I had set aside to pay for inspection. And now I'm selling these trading cards, and I know, you know, oh, don't be upset that you're selling some trading cards. I mean, that's my hobby. Like, trading cards are my hobby. I don't smoke, I don't drink, I don't go out partying, I don't vacation, I don't do that stuff. So trading cards are my hobby. So letting them go hurts a little bit, but also I'm also at the point where I would rather sell that stuff than have that extra $800 on debt. So, all right, thank you for watching. We are filming with our GoPro Hero 10. Ooh. All right, Have a blessed night.